Imagine a world where editing audio and video is as simple as editing text. With Descript, that world is now a reality. Descript is a powerful tool that allows you to edit, transcribe, and collaborate on your audio and video projects with ease. One of the standout features of Descript is its transcription capabilities. Descript uses advanced speech-to-text technology to transcribe your recordings, making it easy to find and edit your content. No more scrubbing through hours of footage, simply edit your transcript and let Descript do the rest.
My name is Bernie from Kreativ Insight. What do I do? I help connect people with new people, in this case, new things. You're looking at the Descript software. I just want to show how easy it is to capitalize and use this particular software. I use it primarily for processing my podcast recordings and audiograms. Descript is a SaaS-based platform. So that means everything it's doing is in the cloud. So right now it's retrieving a project. Although it's blank, it's going through that process. And the key elements here that I should point out. Now it knows that I'm doing video, so it's put the box on top. I can actually give it a title, name. So this is a production run. I can start recording. I can ask AI to write some of the information for me. And so let's go check that out. So I can write a script, outline a script, brainstorm ideas. All right. Now they're in the beta mode. So I'll click on that and I'll say, hey, draft the script meant to be spoken out loud and recorded about the script. And with most AI prompts, you do have to give it some information to work with. It doesn't read your mind in the style of enter. And this, you can vary the words and try different tacks for an audience of business professionals. I'll hit enter. And it's crafting up some content. It's working through it. And then it has a quick conclusion. I can add new to the composition. I can start over, add to script. So what has basically happened? I'll go to their stock AI speakers and maybe I will pick Carla.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important, capture the good times, develop from the negative.
So I'm going to make Carla the speaker. And I'm going to go down and just make sure everything is Carla talking.
Audio and video editing tool. Imagine a world where editing audio and video.
The other feature I want to be able to do is able to write. So I can insert words in here to adjust what has to happen. So that's the first part. Now I can have a pre-recorded video in here. I'm going to click on this particular space, or I can find video. I can search for files, drag and drop them into here, or I can search for it. In this case, I'm going to look for videos. I could have office space. Select the office video. Now you notice when I hover over the image, it will move around. This one. Loading the media into this particular scene up here. I can adjust the size of the video to suit. Now, the reason you might want to do that is you might want to have a ticker tape down here, or you're going to have some other content information. We can go back in here again, and we can look for other things like video or backgrounds. You can have access to GIF files, you build your own meme, or you can get your own images from your files. I'll pick this one. Adding the file. So this one is something I picked up in 2022. Add new layer. So all of a sudden you see it sitting right in dab smack in the middle. I need to edit this so you can adjust what's happening inside the screens. Now I can adjust how it's placed so I can size it. Find the right place on my image. Now it's part of that screenshot. Come back to this plus sign, shrink canvas, shrink it back down. Notice down here, we have layers of activity going on. We have sound, see some other bars here. I'm just going to lift this up a bit more. I might want to have a jingle going on. I'm going to go back into the audio portion and I'm going to look for some music. And so it's going to offer me some options. You can listen to it. So in this case, I'm going to search music. I'm going to say, I'd like to have something in the blues range. You know what? That'll do just fine. So I'll click on it. So a couple of things I can do here. I can now work with the sound. I can fade it in. You'll see this sound bite. So I'm going to enlarge what I'm looking at here. Down is my sound bar. I want to do an intro. Here's Carl's voice.
One of the standout features of Descript is its transcription capabilities. Descript
Now, if I wanted to make Carl's voice just a tad bit quieter, click on my sound bar, and I would go here. Let's say I wanted just a lower volume. I want it down to 9. It'll adjust the entire amount of sound. And that should be Carla too.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. In this next segment, we'll show the green screen feature and the ability to insert into the background. The speaker will remain visible. First, we will activate the green screen, which will make the background black. This process can take a few seconds depending on how long the video clip is. The other feature is eye contact. Bernie has intentionally kept his eyes away from the camera, and Descript will fix that. These features allow you to help build a focused view toward your audience. The next step is to activate the green screen effect, which will remove the background images. The background will go black, but the presenter will remain in view. We will also add another background image, in this case a tropical beach. The image is from Descript. Once the image is picked, it is stretched over the entire clip and then sent back, behind Bernie. The other set is to have the eyes looking forward. Sometimes our point of view is at our other screens or source of information. You will now start to notice Bernie's eyes looking forward, regardless how he swivels his head. As you build in Descript, the files will allow you to add layers at different points. This company is always adding more new features and sends out updates as they do. Another great feature of Descript is its multi-track editing. Whether you're working on a podcast, a webinar, or a video presentation, Descript allows you to edit multiple tracks simultaneously, saving you time and effort. So, what are the benefits of using Descript? First and foremost, it saves you time. With Descript's intuitive interface and powerful editing tools, you can edit your audio and video projects in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Additionally, Descript enhances collaboration. With Descript's cloud-based platform, you can easily collaborate with your team members, making real-time edits and providing feedback without the need for constant file sharing. In conclusion, Descript is a game-changer in the world of audio and video editing. Its innovative features, intuitive interface, and collaborative capabilities make it the go-to solution for business professionals like yourselves. Start using Descript today and experience the future of editing. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Bernie. Also, you can scan the QR code to access the software. Have a great day.